Alrighty, the Beast Max. The stock battery. Wow. This thing's like on a trampoline, just bouncing everywhere. Look at it go. Look at it go. LEDs are nice and bright though, they work. Damn. So one of the things, the radio's got a 3rd channel button right there, and if you press that, you can change the settings on the lights, even to really fast strobing. So yeah, let's go with that. You can turn them off as well, but let's go with the fast strobing lights, because there's nothing better than inducing seizures on this channel. Here we go. Wow, this thing just bounces around everywhere. Could you imagine this on 3S? We might just have to try that. I tell you what, for a muck around car, like honestly, it's not the worst. At least it's got power, even with the stock battery. The front wheels come up, but it's not because of its excessive power and massive grip. It's because it's bouncing up. Alrighty, can we get grip here? I would say no. That's, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Let's see, can we line it up? Squeezing that trigger. Hey, look at that, it did a jump. Oh, the grass. The grass is so tall. Look, it won't even move. Oh God. Oh Jesus. Got to be really careful on the throttle here, because it just spins out. All right, squeeze. Oh, squeeze, come on, line up. Yeah. This is a challenge. This is a big challenge. Come on, line her up, line her up. Stop bouncing around. How come I did it so well in the first try, and now I can't do it at all? Here we go, here we go. Got it, got it, got it. Hey, it almost did a backflip. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Here we go. You got to be very, very gentle. So let's see. Squeeze. Here we go, got it. Oh, I was so tempted to hold that throttle, but there's just nothing in reserve when I hit the jump. I've got nothing left to really spin those wheels. Plus there's no foam in them, so there's no mass to really rotate the car. Oh! Oh, it just made it out of there. Well, it survived a pretty nasty crash there. That's not too bad. Come on, come on. Oh, so frustrating. You think you've got it, and then it hits a bump, and then it's all over. Oh, geez, I should have held that one. I'm being a bit chicken. I need to hold it. I need to commit to that backflip. Come on. Stop it. It's like 1 in 3 attempts I actually make it to the jump. Here we go. Nah, it didn't do it that time. Here we go. We got it, we got it, we got it, we got it. Oh! Oh, I accidentally hit the lights. The little light button, and turn the lights off. There we go. Come on. We got to get at least one backflip in, right? We have to try and get one in, because I know it looks like you can do it. I'm actually going to move over here to see if we can actually get this, because the car's not fast enough to really for me to be back there. Here we go. Ah, come on, you mongrel. Let's do it. You almost had it before. Oh, get off the tall grass. I think the battery's cactus. Doesn't look like it's got a lot of power now. Yeah, it's definitely singing a different tune. It's not going as fast as before. Yeah, no, I think the battery's done. This is a lithium ion, not a LiPo, so tell you what, taking a few hits, not the worst. It definitely struggles. I mean, the suspension and this gravel, hard pack gravel, just not the best. But the tires aren't the worst. You know, if it was a matter of like the tires being really bad, I would have struggled to just do anything with this. At least I can still drive it somewhat. Yeah, we definitely lost some power with this guy. So yeah, I think we're going to leave this one here, and maybe I'll try a 3S and see how that goes. That's it from me. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time.